Alright, getting right to it. So I'm just going through the motions. So when you're in a handstand, this is ideally what you want to be doing. I try both hands and I've noticed that I have more balance if I just move my left hand. So go into a handstand. For me, I believe I went in the straddle position. It was easier for me to balance. And then you just slowly rotate your left hand and then crossover. Bam, that's it. So there's obviously more to it. The holding the X handstand part is the difficult part for me. But I can at least get into the position. So I just figure just keep practicing enough. I'll eventually be able to hold it just like how I do with everything. Practice, practice, practice until you get it right. But it's really not that bad. I for sure say if you can hold a handstand, a decent handstand, you can be able to do this. And then just practicing moving your hands around, and just find out what's comfortable for you. I tried just going up with my hand already in that position. It's a little awkward. It didn't work for me, but it might work for you. Yeah. My last failed attempt. Look guys, just practice. If anyone can get it, let me know.